and in. All set. And they're off. From the center, that's City Edition who gets the first call. Bobby Axe is away well down toward the rail. In between horses is Highborn with Transistor on the outside. The two at the back are Brag Dude and Stronger as they race to the final 5 furlongs. Up front, the leader, City Edition, a half a length. Highborn is second. Third is Transistor. Bobby Axe in tight down toward the rail. Fourth, only 2 lengths behind, but he'll need a way through. On the outside and Stronger, who's 3 wide, while second last. And trailing is Brag Dude. Around the far turn they go. And up front, City Edition leads it by a neck. Highborn is second. Transistor is third. Edgar Zayas patiently handling Bobby Axe. He's fourth down toward the inside, racing to the 5/16. Then back on the outside to Stronger, second last, and trailing is Brag Dude through the opening quarter in 23 seconds flat. They move to the top of the stretch. Highborn now makes the lead. Bobby Axe put into the clear to try to make a charge. Down inside, City Edition is still right there. These three go on from the others with less than 3/16 to go. Up front, Highborn has the lead. Bobby Axe to the attack now, second. These two to settle the score. On the inside, Highborn. On the outside, it's Bobby Axe. Bobby Axe puts ahead in front. Highborn right with him. Bobby Axe now has the lead. Bobby Axe wins. Zayas for 3 on the day. Highborn second, well clear of City Edition third in 1:11.1. Post time for the 7th is 20 minutes away. Exacta 680, trifecta $4.35, superfecta $22.90, $2.29 for a dime. The daily double is $6.80. The pick 3, $4.25. Numbers were 8, 5, and the 1. 111 and 1.